The bent over T-spine rotation is a bodyweight mobility exercise to improve upper back flexibility of the thoracic spine to enhance rotational movement, which is essential for sports and daily activities. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Hinge forward at your hips, lowering your torso until it's almost parallel to the ground. Keep your knees slightly bent and your back straight with your arms hanging down towards the floor and your palms facing forward. Slowly rotate your torso to one side while lifting that arm on the same side toward the ceiling to open up your chest. Keep your hips square and your core engaged to avoid twisting your lower body. Make sure the rotation comes from your thoracic spine and not your lower back. Look up toward your lifted hand to increase the rotation through your upper back and thoracic spine. Hold for a brief moment to feel the stretch in your upper back, then slowly bring the lifted arm back down to the starting position while maintaining the bent over posture throughout the set. Alternate sides and repeat the rotation with the opposite arm. Continue alternating sides for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.